Do you have a kitchen drawer or cabinet overflowing with kitchen towels? Then I'm going to share with you how I organize my own kitchen towels to keep them neat and tidy so that I can just pull them out easily without disturbing the rest of the towels. So if you'd like to see that, then stay tuned. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I organize my kitchen towels. Now, I have been doing this for quite some time, even before KonMari became a big thing, but I do things a little bit differently than she did. So I'd like to share with you how I do my kitchen towel drawer. Are you ready? Here we go. Ta-da! So, I have found the easiest way to store my kitchen towels is to roll them. And I then have them ready to use and they don't get wrinkled, and I can see exactly what towels I have and what I want to use. Now these are my utilitarian towels. These are not my seasonal towels that I use just for decor. But I also have on the right side over here, these are all my hand towels, and then in the outside row and middle row, those are my dish towels. And as you can see, they are really in plain colors, and I do that on purpose so that I can coordinate them based on the season. So for instance, in the summertime, I might use yellow and blue, or if it's 4th of July, I might use red, white, and blue, or if it's Christmas, red, white, and green. So there's a variety of ways you can use them so they match the season of your decor. Now, I do have these in rows, and they are kept in rows by these drawer dividers here. But that's a somewhat recent addition. I used to just have them in here freestanding, but the drawer dividers do help. So if you have that in your budget, you can do that, or you can take boxes like shoe boxes or cereal boxes and cut them down and use those as drawer dividers. So that way you can have drawer dividers without having to go out and buy actual drawer dividers. But if you are interested in drawer dividers like this, I will put a link down below for you. But I am now going to show you how I roll my towels and why I like to roll them that way. So let's get going on that. Now, when I hang my towels up, I like to have them folded in thirds so that you don't see the edges of them. So what I do is I fold over one side of my towel, oops, there's some fuzz on this one, and then I fold in the other side of the towel. So folding it in 3 pieces. So the way to get thirds is that you take the edge and you then try to line it so that the middle of the part that you're folding over is aligned with the middle of the towel here. Then, rather than rolling all the way from one end like this, I like to fold my towel in half, like so, leaving about 1 inch or the length of the first part of your thumb, so that when you have a lot of bulk right at the beginning and you can fold over that first little part onto the towel. Then you just start rolling like so. And they don't have to be perfect. But this height fits nicely within my drawer standing up. And then when I go to take them out, they're all ready to hang. Let me show you. I like to hang my kitchen towels off my lower oven door. But so that you can see how I do this, I'm going to show you my upper oven door. So I take my rolled towel out of the drawer, unroll it, and then it's very easy just to slip over the handle of the oven, like so. I don't need to fold it when I take it out because it's already been folded perfectly so that it will hang nicely on the handle. So I hope you enjoyed my tip on how to roll your towels and store them in a drawer. If you don't have a drawer to store your towels in, you could always get a basket and put it in the cupboard or a box cover it with some contact paper or wrapping paper like I've showed you in another video, which I will link for you as well. And then you will find that it is so much easier to keep your towels handy. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, why don't you give me a thumbs up? And again, if you are new here, I do post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So why don't you subscribe by clicking on the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button in the box down below. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Take care, everyone, and happy organizing. Bye-bye.